Hey favorites, watch me style this hair. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to slay and style this wig. Do stick around and keep on watching. So guys, I know you'll be wondering why I'm showing you a video of me styling my hair and wearing the wig when I'm supposed to be dropping the tutorial on how to make the wig. Well, I have a little story to tell. I was thinking to myself, how do I tell my subscribers or my viewers how I filmed this tutorial for 3 days? It took me 3 days to film it. Not that it was much, but the fact that there was no light and some days it would get dark, and I film with natural light, so it took me about 3 days to compile the videos and everything. It was a 9-minute video, and the day I did this particular video was the day I finished the tutorial. So on wanting to add it to the ones I've done the previous days, I realized the videos were deleted from CapCut. I froze and I was so heartbroken because I really wanted to show you guys how to make this hair because it came out so beautiful. I got the inspiration from someone's channel and I fell in love with the wig instantly because it looks like natural hair. So I wanted to do that, and my effort, everything just went off. Apparently, if you've updated your CapCut app, you'd realize that once you delete a video from your photos, it gets deleted in CapCut, and that is horrible. That's horrible. When I started using CapCut, I was so happy when I saw that I can delete from my phone and then it will still be my CapCut because of storage space. But on this recent development, I felt so heartbroken. Everything, like everything from the first clip to the last clip was deleted, and the one I did today was the only one left, and I decided to still edit it and push it out to you guys because it's very beautiful. And the essence of this video is to encourage you to do this hairstyle. If you make your wigs yourself and you want to try out something different, you can try this out. But guess what? There's a solution, and I'm going to tell you that at the end of this video. So just follow the process at which I styled this hair. It's very, very simple, and yeah, it gave it a natural look because I had to blend my natural hair with the wig. Do keep on watching, and I'll catch you at the end of this video.
Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. 'Cause nothing's ever black and got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes. Wonder.
Guys, I'm really feeling this hair, like yeah. So hi, I promised you guys that at the end I'm going to tell you what you can do, but before that, admire this hair. It's so beautiful. Like, a lot of people have been asking me, is it your hair, is it natural, what did you use? And the few I told I used Brazilian wool, they were mind blown. Yes, so this is the solution right here. As I said, I got this inspiration from someone on YouTube. I'm going to leave her name on the screen right here, and I'm also going to leave a link in my description box, so go to the link. It's going to be a direct link to her own video, so you can watch it there. And yeah, for reals, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up because these are the little things that encourage me to make videos, and it keeps me going. So if you see a video you like, you can leave a comment, a nice comment, and then you can give the video a thumbs up. It's a way to encourage the creative. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and these are different ways to style this hair. You can style it anyhow you like. It can be a middle part, but side part suits me better. That was why I chose to use side part.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would have let you go. You got into
So can't wait to see my next video. Bye.
lose myself. When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever